In today's video, let's see how to find the best-selling products on Amazon.in. To watch all the videos that we have done as part of this free course, you can click on the I button above. So without any further ado, let's get started. Right now we are on the Amazon India's bestsellers page. The link is amazon.in/bestsellers. If you are on yet another platform of Amazon, just use the same link and use the /bestsellers tag. Now, what is meant by this Amazon bestsellers? As you can see from this page, in the left side you can choose the product category that you wish to sell, and then the Amazon best-selling page will be showing you the top 100 products that are the best selling products in that category. Okay, so I will be showing you with an example. Here I am choosing the home and kitchen category, and Amazon will be showing me the top 100 products that are the best sellers in the home and kitchen category. So similarly, you can also choose the product category that you are planning to sell, and Amazon will be showing you the top 100 products that are the best sellers in the given category. Okay, now I am going to tell you how this is gonna help you as a seller. First of all, if you have a product category in mind, that is, you are planning to sell some items in the home and kitchen category, but you are not sure which product to choose, then you can just hit on the bestsellers page and decide which product you can get it on the budget and sell it for a profit. Or maybe if you have already set up your mind with selling a particular product, you can just hit on the bestsellers page and see if this item has a demand already. The thing is that when your product is already on the best-selling page, you know that there is a large customer base for your items on Amazon. So that will be like a huge benefit for you, because now with the information that you have gained from this page, you can try to offer the same item at a better price, or maybe even you can plan your inventory, because you know that there is a huge demand for the item, so you can buy in bulk and keep it in the stock. So that will be also helping you to cut the cost, like shipping cost, and you will also be getting better prices when you are buying in bulk. Now, just like the bestsellers page, we also have a page called Hot New Releases. Just click on that and choose the product category, just like how you did before, and you will be able to see the new releases, that are the latest products that are added into the product category. It is not just that these items are the new releases in that given product category, but these items are also getting enough sales, or the sellers are getting enough orders for these items even though they are added recently. As you can see, this page is updated hourly by Amazon. You can utilize the information from this page to understand which item is setting the current trend in the given product category. Similarly, we also have a movers and shakers page. Just click on that and choose the product category, just like how you did before, and you will be able to see the best moving products that were selling in the past 24 hours, and this page is also updated hourly by Amazon. So with this page, you will be able to understand which items were the best selling products in the given category in the past 24 hours. Okay, I'm shooting this movie on the 10th of February, and you can see the number 5th best-selling item here is related to Valentine's Day. So as a seller, I can understand that people have started purchasing items for the Valentine's Day. So I can also plan to sell similar items at a better price for the day of Valentine's. We also have a most wished for category. These are the items that the customers have a desire in their mind to purchase. As you know, the customers can add a particular product to their wish list before finally moving it to the cart and making the purchase. Just like how you did before, you choose the product category and the items will be showed. These are the items people have added to their wish list. We also have a page called Most Gifted, and with this page you will be able to find the items which are the most gifted in the given product category. That is, we have an option called gift wrapping facility by Amazon, and these are the items people have purchased with this facility, so we know that it is purchased as a gift. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do make sure to do that, and also let us know your feedback in the comment box below.